and welcome back. In the previous video, we were introduced to the field of data science. In this video, we will look at the various roles in the data science domain. So without wasting any more time, let us get started. New York Times considers data science as a hot new field that promises to revolutionize industries from business to government, healthcare to academia. However, there are a variety of different jobs and roles under the data science umbrella to choose from. Let us look at the list of job roles in data science. These roles include data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, data architect, business analyst, machine learning engineer, database administrator. There are various roles in data science. Now we will discuss each role in detail. The first role that we will discuss is the data scientist. Data scientists have to understand the challenges of business and then offer the best solutions using data analysis and data processing. For instance, they are expected to perform predictive analysis and run a fine-tooth comb through unstructured data to offer actionable insights. They can also do this by identifying trends and patterns that can help the companies in making better decisions. The second role in the data science domain is that of data analyst. Data analysts are responsible for a variety of tasks, including visualization, munging, and processing of massive amounts of data. They also have to perform queries on the databases from time to time. Now, one of the most important skills of a data analyst is optimization. This is because they have to create and modify algorithms that can be used to cull information from some of the biggest databases without corrupting the data. The third role in data science domain is that of data engineer. Now, data engineers build and test scalable big data ecosystems for businesses so that the data scientist can run their algorithms on data systems that are stable and highly optimized. Data engineers also update the existing systems with newer or upgraded versions of the current technologies to improve the efficiency of the databases. The fourth role in the data science domain is data architect. A data architect creates the blueprints for data management so that the databases can be easily integrated, centralized, and protected with the best security measures. They also ensure that the data engineers have the best tools and systems to work with. The fifth role in the data science domain is that of business analyst. The role of business analyst is slightly different from other data science jobs. While they do have a good understanding of how data-oriented technologies work and how to handle large volumes of data, they also separate the high-value data from the low-value data. In other words, they identify how big data can be linked to actionable business insights for business growth. Business analysts act as a link between the data engineers and the management executives. So they should have an understanding of business finances and business intelligence, and also the IT technologies like data modeling, data visualization tools, etc. The next role in the data science domain is that of machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers are in high demand today. However, the job profile comes with its challenges. Apart from having in-depth knowledge in some of the most powerful technologies such as SQL, REST APIs, etc., machine learning engineers, they are also expected to perform A/B testing, build data pipelines, and implement common machine learning algorithms like classification, clustering, etc. And the last role that we will discuss is that of database administrator. The job profile of a database administrator is pretty much self-explanatory. They are responsible for the proper functioning of all the databases of an enterprise and grant or revoke its services to the employees of the company depending upon their requirements. They are also responsible for database backups and recoveries. Now, some of the essential skills and talents of a database administrator include database backup and recovery, data security, data modeling and design, and a lot more. If you are good at disaster management, it's certainly a bonus. So I hope that you are now clear about the various roles in the data science domain. In the next video, we will look at the difference between data analyst and data scientist. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning. Bye.